Now
fix
I will
the-
show you how to fix the machine into the ground and to adjust the height of the machine. Here, when the machine will arrive to your facility, you will find this metal piece. It's only for transport. You have to remove it and then
Prepare.
take the feet.
the stuff.
You position around 25 millimeter for start,
Yes.
and then put
Inside this
inside
hole,
this hole.
and you fix another. And
Fix
Nut.
everything, the nut.
you use this one to
Adjust.
adjust the correct level. Okay. For 6 point in the machine.
Here,
2,
then 3, 4, 5, and 6. You have to remove everything from here and put the feet. So now you have to find the correct level by using the feet that you have mounted. Take a level. As you can see, he is in perfect position. Then take a smaller level. As you can see, perfect position. Everything you have to adjust it with the 6 feet that I have shown you before. Now remove these parts are used only for the track fixation. You will find 2 here and the other 2 are at the front, 1 and 2. After you have removed these 2 parts, you have to use these 4 holes to fix the additional roller for the connection of the roller blade on the exit. Now we remove this
one for fix the
and we fix the roller on the charge side.